In this video, I'll show you how to reset Standard Chartered online banking password. So to get started, go ahead and open the official website of Standard Chartered online banking. At the top right corner of your screen, you'll be able to find this private banking button. So click on that and that will redirect you into this section. So in here, just go ahead and click on that forgot password button under the login section. So click on that and that will redirect you into this section. So in here, you just need to provide your username, your CIF number, and your investment center, or also known as your country of residence. And after that, you need to proceed with the next step. And this will usually require you to actually reset your password using a OTP sent to your mobile number or an email sent to your Gmail or email that's been registered to your Standard Chartered Bank account. And once you click on that message on your inbox, you'll be able to find a link to be able to create a new password for your account, and that is how you can basically reset Standard Chartered online banking password. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.